in the memory of your mind. Tears, trials, testings, temptations. Fifth one is triumph. Every person sitting here will go through these 5 things. Trials, testings, temptation. What is the other one I said?
Tears.
Tears. Fifthly, triumph. Write it down. It is there in the Word of God. If you do not expect trials, you will not know how to overcome trials with the power of God. David yielded to the power of God. You will never do anything by your own strength, friends. You will face challenges. You can look at the mountain and say, mountain move. Those of you very talented who sang the songs, guitar. May I say this? May I say this, young people, please listen. It is not just that you know to play the guitar, but the guitar playing can move mountains and transform people's lives. It is not just the sermon alone. I have seen people sitting in the pulpit. I have seen people when they listen to the songs, there are tears in their eyes. Isn't it true? And so when you come to sing in a worship, it is not just coming along. Come with a heart of preparation. Play the guitar in such a way, say, Lord, the talent that you have given me, I am playing tonight, O Lord. I pray that your name will be exalted. You will see the tears in the pews. I have seen it. He yielded to the purpose of God. He depended on the power of God. Thirdly, you find he relied on the promises of God.